नमस्कार, वेलकम। वेलकम टू प्लेइंग 11 फुटबॉल। मैं हूं सुधीर और मेरे साथ है नवल। हे नवल, कैसे हो?
ये सुधीर बहुत बढ़िया। बहुत
ऑलराइट।
अच्छा मैच देखने मिला।
बहुत बढ़िया मैच था। देयर वर सम गुड थिंग्स वी वर एबल टू सी फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, जो हमने वी टॉक्ड इन फ्यू वीडियोस, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट हैदराबाद हैज टू डू, बट said that like there was like some surprise changes in lineup. So and उसमें से एक हम लोग जो बात कर रहे थे was goalkeeper. तो जहाँ पे हम बोल रहे थे कि like we were expecting Subrata Paul to stay over Katimani, but coach went with Katimani over there.
या तो अपन ने बोला था कि शायद चेंज करना बेटर रहेगा, बट कंसिडरिंग कि गोवा
It's a
के
Goa.
अगेंस्ट है,
Yeah.
तो मे बी ही विल स्टिक विथ सुब्रतो, बट ही डिड नॉट.
So what did you think? Was that a right decision, or do you think that costed them?
आई थिंक इट कॉस्टेड देम because in the entire game we just had two shots on target
Yeah.
and both of them are goals.
Yeah, I think and the other thing is like I think in those situations जहाँ पे like हमने free kick, obviously because of the free kick 80th minute में जब goal हुआ था, I think Subrata Paul would have done with a better job of arranging the defense and all that. So I think उसका like
Yeah, so he could
in
have
general
done a
with
better job, but
his experience
हाँ वो
was majorly missed.
हाँ वो अच्छा कर सकते थे, but he could not have stopped that goal, but there would have been that effort.
Yeah.
Katimani halfway जाके रुक गए. Maybe he thought it was going outside of the goal post or something, but वो रुक गए at a point.
Yeah.
So शायद he could have gone till the end. Maybe a fingertip would have saved it. We don't know.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was a brilliant goal.
Yeah, it was a very good goal. And yeah, so जैसे हमने कहा like defense was stable. Like I think our defense is really good उन चारों के बीच में. And midfield में जैसे हमने कहा like जाओ विक्टर के साथ पार्टनर करेंगे सोविक चक्रवर्ती. I mean हमने बोला था हितेश शर्मा like वहाँ पे, लेकिन सोविक को डाला था.
Yeah, so अपन ने बोला था लुइस शास्त्री स्टार्ट करेंगे, हितेश शर्मा नहीं.
Yeah.
तो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि केएनजी का शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा सीरियस होगा देन
Yeah.
लुइस शास्त्री. जबकि केएनजी को स्टार्ट किया, वो एक चेंज हो गया. और दूसरा अपन ने सोचा था कि लुइस शास्त्री स्टार्ट करेंगे हितेश शर्मा की जगह पे.
Oh yeah, बिल्कुल. Yeah.
But seemed like Louis Shastri came in the second half and Hitesh started.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think it was good decision to play these two people, but we could have interchanged their positions.
Yeah.
Because what happens is सोविक जो है वो बहुत प्रेस करते हैं, एंड प्रेस करते टाइम यूजुअली अपोनेंट्स मिस पास करते हैं.
Yeah.
And you win the balls in the midfield area where Hitesh and Joe Victor are good with passing.
बिल्कुल.
है ना. बट इस गेम में क्या हो गया था, हितेश भी प्रेस कर रहे थे साथ में, और बॉल जा रहा था सोविक और जाविक विक्टर के पास. जाव विक्टर तो अच्छा कर ही रहे हैं. सोविक वाज अनेबल टू गिव बेटर पासेस.
Yeah.
तो उनका पास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का प्रॉब्लम था, तो वो बेटर कर नहीं पाए. वही जगह पे अगर सोविक प्रेस करते और हितेश बॉल विन करते, तो हितेश वुड हैव गिवन वेरी क्रिएटिव chances to the midfielders or forwards.
I think so. क्योंकि and one other thing I also observed is because of that position क्या हुआ, I think it was around in somewhere in second half between 60th to 70 minute के बीच में, I think defender जब ball पीछे दे रहा था goalkeeper को, I think it was like a bad pass or something happened, so other उनका like गोवा का other defender had to come. वो time पे हितेश शर्मा like he had an opportunity to press, but he was just like strolling around, like he just kept going slow towards the goalkeeper, and goalkeeper got the ball. But in that situation, if there was any other player, even if it was Aridane or even like Sovic, who is the reason he should be in the lineup is so that he can press, and he would have made that difference. Maybe that would have caused an error. And like I think even the commentators were saying like, what was Hitesh doing in that situation? Like I think he had to press at that time. So you could see that like that difference that was a big difference. I think जैसे आपने कहा था हितेश को पीछे डाल के I think सोविक को आगे लगाना था, क्योंकि in those situations like if he does press like that, it kind of like puts a pressure on the goalkeeper and the defense.
Yeah, तो basically instinct होता है प्लेयर का, हर प्लेयर का. Hitesh is not that pressing and winning the ball kind of guy. He is more of a playmaking kind of guy. तो instinct के हिसाब से उन्होंने गया नहीं, उनको ऐसा लगा नहीं जाना चाहिए जो भी है. But yeah, overall a good game to watch.
Yeah.
We can use Mourinho's quote here कि best team lost.
So, what do you think about Joel Kiney's performance? Like he had like first half to show. So, like he, what do you think about him?
सो 4 हफ्ते के बाद आए तो एक दो जगह पे उन्होंने he didn't give his best,
Yeah,
but otherwise I liked his performance.
yeah. I
I think
mean,
he was substituted to preserve for the next game, but he played well. He
yeah,
was very his runs were very sharp.
बिल्कुल.
Uh,
His runs were sharp,
he
but I
beat
think he
Twitter
was a
also.
little bit out of touch because, जैसे आपने कहा, like he's been away for 4 weeks.
Yeah,
So yeah, so but yeah, overall, I think it was good to see him in the lineup. All right, so and
and
then
and
Mhm.
and and जोएल केनिजी को उसी जगह पे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, yeah,
His central attacking midfield area is not his prowess, I guess. So he should start in
on the
right
wings, yeah,
wing position only, and maybe for we can accommodate Liston Colasso in the second half or something like that.
yeah.
So वो देख सकते हैं, but I think he is doing very good there.
Yeah, I actually kind of like this lineup. बस एक change करना चाहिए हितेश को पीछे डाल के सौविक को आगे क्योंकि that's going to make क्योंकि when you see आपका जो front three है and if you put Sovik over there वो pressure डालता है and he creates that problem so then you can see like either Kenizi, Nazari या Aridane को इनमें से कोई भी like they can get that opportunity to like grab the ball. So I think that's something that I would like to see. But overall, I think I was very I mean, obviously, goalkeeper is a concern, जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे. But other than that, I think I kind of like this lineup. So, what are your observations? Like first half में आपने क्या देखा? Like, what did you think about the game?
Yeah, lineup अच्छा था, but one more change I would like is Hitesh for Sastre.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, शास्त्री खेलना चाहिए हितेश की जगह पे,
yeah.
because for obvious reasons. Yeah. And your
So,
question was?
yeah. So, जैसे हम बोल रहे थे, like, alright. So, lineup तो हमने बात किया, like, तो like, what do you think, like, overall Hyderabad का first half का performance? I mean, first half, like, overall the game का performance क्या देखते हैं, like, Goa और
हाँ
Hyderabad का?
हाँ, ये अच्छा सवाल है. तो इस फर्स्ट हाफ में एग्जैक्टली वही किया जो अपन 3-4 गेम्स से बोल रहे हैं.
जी.
Don't be conservative while defending. Don't be conservative while defending. So this time around they pressed and pressed hard, and they won the ball. And I think Hyderabad more or less dominated the game. They did not let Goa settle till the 80th minute.
बिल्कुल. And we'll
Right?
come to
So
that.
no one
We'll
was
come to that.
comfortable.
Yeah, we'll come to
हाँ,
the second
वही
half
बोल रहा हूँ.
of it.
So no one was comfortable
Yeah.
until 80th minute. तो बेसिकली अनसेटल कर दिया पूरे एफसी गोवा टीम को, और एंगुलो के पास बॉल जा ही नहीं रहा था, और ऑर्टिस को जब भी चांस मिला वो बहुत अच्छे रन्स कर रहे थे, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डिफेंस लाइन चिंगलेनसना ब्लॉक कर रहे थे उनको, या फिर कभी
आकाश
कभी
मिश्रा.
ये आकाश मिश्रा और हालीचरण आके रोक रहे थे.
Yeah,
तो ओवरऑल लेफ्ट साइड में तो बहुत ही अच्छा गेम चल रहा है अपना हैदराबाद का.
बिल्कुल.
एंड या सो वही बेसिकली सेटल किसी को भी होने नहीं दिए. नो वन वाज कंफर्टेबल इन द गेम फ्रॉम गोवा टीम. तो या प्रेस अच्छा करे. एंड द सेकंड कंसर्न स्टिल रिमेन्स इज टेकिंग लॉन्ग शॉट्स.
Yeah, so we'll come to that, but like one of the thing मैंने एक और observe किया था कि like first half में I mean overall like there was not much action on the goal दोनों sides से ज़्यादा because Hyderabad was pressing a lot, like Goa was losing ball, but even Hyderabad really like that's one of the thing कि like Hyderabad didn't create many chances. जो एक chance जहाँ पे आरिडा ने जो create किया था around like 40 या 41st कुछ वो time पे I think आशीष राय ने like he kind of overkicked it, so ball बाहर चले गया था because you could see from the other side Halicharan had really made a good run. But other than that, like yeah, first half में ज़्यादा कुछ action नहीं था. But जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, like the second concern, I think this is where like second half की बात जब हम बात करना शुरू करेंगे, that's where like जैसे आप बोलने वाले हैं second concern के बारे में, that's where it's going to come more into point. कि Hyderabad second half में I think they were really well. Like I think जैसे 46 minute के around 50th minute, I think Hyderabad really started to get in the groove. फिर आए हैदराबाद के थोड़े बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक एक गोल तो हुआ था लेकिन जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि अटेम्प्टेड शॉट्स या तो क्या क्या करेंगे हैदराबाद इसके बारे में.
तो देखो शॉट्स ले रहे हैं उसके बारे में कंप्लेन नहीं है, है ना.
हाँ
आई थिंक हैदराबाद इज इन द टॉप 3 टीम्स of the shots taken
Yeah.
criteria, तो shots लेने में दिक्कत नहीं है, chances created में दिक्कत नहीं है. The main problem is okay, shots on target is also not a problem, but they are very weak passes, weak shots. वो they are hitting it right into goalkeeper's hands.
Yeah.
तो ज्यादा effective shots होने चाहिए. Goalkeeper should actually work for it to stop. बट मोस्टली जैसे जाओ विक्टर का भी आपने शॉट देखा होगा.
या बिल्कुल
सिंपल एक टैप दे दिया था, वो ऐसा पकड़ लिया इजीली.
या इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल पास बाय, आई थिंक इट वाज हाली चरण जिन्होंने पास किया था.
हाँ, तो एकदम इजी शॉट मार दिया, वो रोक दिया इजीली. थोड़ा पावर लगाते या एंगल लगाते, कुछ करते, डायरेक्टली ऐसा कर दिया, ये तो मतलब मैं भी कर देता. तो दैट इज नॉट व्हाट ही इज देयर फॉर, है ना. तो मे बी बेटर शॉट्स कैन बी टेकिंग मोर क्रिएटिव शॉट्स, ज्यादा पावर के साथ जो भी है. लेट द गोलकीपर वर्क, यू डोंट डू इट फॉर हिम, है ना. यू डोंट मेक इट इजी फॉर हिम.
या that's something that Hyderabad really has to start working. I think ये हमने like बहुत पहले like almost like few games we've been talking about this like 4-5 games easily, जहाँ पे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि Hyderabad has to really take their chances, like you know अगर जब goal shots पे मारते हो you will have to like do a better job of it, make the goalkeeper work for it, and that's something Hyderabad hasn't done. But also I think the second thing I have observed is like some of the personal decisions, like जब जैसे कि like around 51st minute में जब आरिडाने को फॉल किया था, तो वहां से फ्री किक जो लिया था, तो it was a very good idea what they wanted to do, very good attempt कि outside from outside the box, like you know someone is going to go for a kick, and unfortunately वहां पे सौविक चक्रवर्ती को डाला instead of either it should have been Aridane, क्योंकि Aridane could have gone for it, or either Yasir.
नहीं नहीं
Yasir
नहीं नहीं, आरिडाने अगर होते तो डिफेंडर्स पूरे उधर ही होते, तो दैट फ्री किक वुडंट हैव वर्कड. So
but
Aridane
it should have been
will be
someone else,
in
not
front
Sovik.
of goalkeeper. Yeah, so Aridane will be in front of goalkeeper to occupy two defenders and to distract goalkeeper.
Yeah.
So that is how the set piece works, है ना. तो उधर deviate करेंगे और पीछे से मार देंगे शॉट. तो या बट पर्सनल शुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट. सौविक की जगह कोई और होता तो शायद बेटर किक्स ले लेता.
बिल्कुल.
तो
And
या
that जो उसने मिस किया था वो टाइम पे, that would have been a big problem for Hyderabad because Goa was able to counter attack, and I think it was Otis शायद जो counter attack कर रहे थे, but luckily Akash Mishra really made a good interception of the ball, and he got it out, and that way like defense had an opportunity to come back and set themselves up. But so that was like a bad mess which could have really costed Hyderabad, and this happened again second time Sovic ke saath. So I think that's something that Hyderabad has to look into it. Like, who are these personals who's going to like practice this kicks? Who will be these players who can take this kicks from outside? They have to figure some of these options out.
Yeah, so idea is good. They need to figure out the personnel.
Bilkul.
So I think going forward it will be Shastri.
Yeah. So जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे like second half की, so again like Hyderabad had an exciting second half, like you know, a lot of attempts. अगर आप देखेंगे 50th minute से I think around 49th या 50th minute से शुरू हुआ था हैदराबाद का अटैक. एक था आकाश मिश्रा का ब्यूटीफुल रन. Obviously he couldn't finish it, but it was a really good run by him. फिर आया like जो फॉल आया था जो सोविक ने मिस किया, फिर आई थिंक एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी आया था, फिर उसके बाद अरिडाने का गोल आया था. सो या सो क्या क्या कहते हैं अरिडाने के गोल के बारे में?
अरिडाने का बॉल आशीष राय तो बहुत ही अच्छा असिस्ट दिए थे वो वाला. उससे पहले फर्स्ट हाफ में तो मिस कर दिए थे, बहुत हेवी टच हो गया था. तो मतलब नर्जरी को भी नहीं मिला फार लॉन्ग पोस्ट पे. तो उसको कॉम्पनसेट कर दिए अगले क्रॉस पे. तो बहुत अच्छा क्रॉस दिया और अरिडाने का बहुत ही अच्छा फिनिश था वो.
बिल्कुल.
कीपर couldn't do anything.
Yeah, and one of the thing अगर आप देखोगे अरिडाने की, the way he scored also, जब वो पास आया था he took like both the defenders ahead, and then by the time the pass came he had an opportunity to step back and take that goal. So it was a really good moment by Aridane.
Yes. So very beautiful goal. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. फिर तो हैदराबाद had few chances. फिर से like अगर आप देखोगे 50th to 65th minute के बीच में like हैदराबाद had few chances, लेकिन again they didn't do much. And उसमें से एक आरिडाने का बहुत outside the box है, बहुत सही shot था, and goalkeeper had a good, like he got the hand. It was a very powerful shot, so I think that was a good opportunity for Hyderabad. And I would like to see more of that, something like that, where you made a goalkeeper work for it.
या सो आई थिंक सेकेंड हाफ तो बहुत ही अच्छा खेले फ्रॉम सेकेंड हाफ स्टार्ट टिल आई थिंक 80th मिनट जैसे अपन बात कर रहे थे
Yeah.
इस 35 मिनट्स में हैदराबाद हैड जीरो शॉट्स ऑन टारगेट एंड जीरो शॉट्स ऑफ टारगेट फर्स्ट हाफ में
Hmm.
एंड इन इस 35 मिनट्स में ऑलरेडी 11 शॉट्स मार दिए थे
Yeah.
इन विच 5 वर मोस्टली ऑन टारगेट तो बहुत ही अच्छा शिफ्ट ऑफ प्ले था एंड जैसे अपन ने प्रीवियस गेम पे प्रीवियस मैच का पोस्ट मैच देख रहे थे तब अपन ने वापस बोला था कि इन लोगों को बहुत सारा प्रेस करना चाहिए
Hmm.
बॉल हाई अप द पिच करना चाहिए
बिल्कुल.
तो वो भी वर्क किया उन लोगों को राइट एंड शॉट्स भी मिले
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
तो
Yeah, Hyderabad was doing really good, I think, till 75th minute with the pressing and all that. But उसके बाद अपने like Souvik को निकाल दिया और हितेश को निकाल दिया. Then you have like a midfield of Jao Victor and Luis Sastre. And that kind of slowed Hyderabad down. और that अब अगर देखेंगे वो game में transition क्या हुआ था is like Hyderabad completely stopped pressing on Goa players.
या
And
तो
Goa really
एग्जैक्टली
took
मुझे
and Goa
उधर
kept attacking. Like you could see like the goal was coming. Because like Goa was attacking, Hyderabad was sitting behind and defending. There was no pressing. Like they were not trying to go ahead and get the ball. Um, तो ये थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. They kind of reverted back to what they were before in few games. And जैसे आपने देखा कि वो प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हैदराबाद lit up 2 goals.
या तो मुझे इधर एक्चुअली एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन समझ नहीं आता सौवी को निकाल के शास्त्री को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया ओके फाइन नो प्रॉब्लम Savik was already on a yellow card and he was pressing hard, so maybe there was a risk of taking a red.
Mm-hmm.
So that I could understand. But हितेश को निकाला और फ्रांस अंडाजो को लाया. So we were already leading 1-0
Yeah.
and we are making attacking changes.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now because Hitesh and Savik both were taken off, there was no one. There were no one in the middle of the park to press.
Yeah.
Shastra is very slow. Jao Victor is very slow. They cannot press. Now again you are going back to that conservative defending, which is not a good idea. And also we already talked in playing 11 prediction that Goa are very good crossers.
Yeah.
They put in very good crosses inside the boxes. जैसे देखा था कि आई थिंक 65th मिनट में ऐसा कुछ ब्रैंडन ने बहुत अच्छा डाला था क्रॉस जिसको
बिल्कुल.
ऑर्टिज ने मिस कर दिया
Yeah,
जस्ट बाय एन इंच.
just by inch. Yeah, बिल्कुल. वो बहुत बढ़िया पास था ब्रैंडन से.
हाँ तो ऐसे बहुत अच्छा क्रॉसेस डालते हैं पता नहीं क्यों फिर वही कंजर्वेटिव डिफेंडिंग में चले गए और 2 गोल कंसीडर कर दिया. So this is how we considered in the last 3 games also,
Yeah,
and the
I
same
think.
thing happened in this game also.
Yeah, I think that's something Hyderabad has to look into it on how what they can work on it.
Yeah, and because we removed the defensive players,
Uh-huh.
now we had to defend with the attacking players.
Yeah. I
With
mean,
Yasir Nursery,
Hyderabad
obviously,
intention was the right thing. Like what they were trying to do is like with 1-0 nothing, it's not safe against Goa because Goa has a history of scoring goals in the last 10, 15 minutes. So Hyderabad
yeah,
wanted to get that one more goal, which completely makes sense. But substitutions were completely still wrong. That's where they got it wrong.
yeah. So maybe the timing was different or what, I don't know. But I think the uh, replacements could have been done in a timely manner.
Yeah. All right. So और कुछ आप ऐड करना चाहते हैं?
आई थिंक ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा गेम खेलने मिला हैदराबाद का एंड एफसी गोवा टुक देयर चांसेस व्हाटएवर वर गिवन टू देम. एंगुलो एंटायर मैच साइलेंट थे उनको बॉल मिल ही नहीं रहा था राइट. एक बार मिला गोल कन्वर्ट कर दिया.
बिल्कुल, and that's what
So
strikers
that is what is required for Hyderabad also.
absolutely.
Whenever you get the ball, make it count.
Yeah. और I think I want
तो या
to
वही है
और
वही है कि चांसेस बहुत क्रिएट कर रहे हैं शॉट्स बहुत ले रहे हैं दैट इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम व्हिच मींस आवर गेम प्लान इज गुड बट टेक इफेक्टिव शॉट्स.
yeah, take effective shots and take some shots from outside the box also. I think that's something that they have to start working on it. Because if you start taking shots out from outside the box, you'll miss, but like in at least you will create some trouble for the
You'll
goalkeeper.
put pressure. Yeah,
Yeah,
you'll put pressure.
bilkul. And that has to happen. Like, you cannot really, like, if you see, like, Hyderabad has a lot of shots, jaise apne bola, ki Hyderabad is third in the shots, but that doesn't mean like you're
Yeah,
creating any problem for the goalkeeper. Most of the time, it's
yeah,
just
exactly.
easy for them.
Yeah, which means game plan is good. Which means
Bilkul.
game plan is good. Manager is doing the right thing. It's only that the players are not delivering it effectively.
Okay.
That is what is happening.
All right. So this brings us to our conclusion of our post-match analysis. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you, Nawal.
Thanks, Sudhir. Bye.